Welcome back guys, my name is Abraham Makwai, and today we're going to be dealing with middleware. I'm going to try to make it simple as possible. To those who are new to application middleware, this video I'm going to make it quick to the point where you understand without putting much time to really try to study this thing. So on the screen, as you can see, we do have some big container, and also we do have some small containers on which are pointing to one another in this case. So this whole container is being considered to be a middleware or a pipeline. And then this pipeline or middleware contains what? Different or small pipes or functions inside of it. And then you can see we do have some arrows on which it shows transfer of information from this pipe to another pipe. Hope that one makes sense. So I'm going to make an example. So if you were to be on your application and you try to send your login and password details, what is actually happening is that your application is going to send that data to their middleware, meaning it's going to send it to the first pipe, and then this pipe is going to process that information, send it to another pipe, process it, send it to another pipe, process it, and send it to another pipe. And then this is the last part. So once it's done processing it, it has to do what? It has to send information back to the user. How does it do that? By doing something simple. We do what? We send back information now. Send information back. Send information back. So you can see it's two-way. Meaning from here, we send information to this thing. We process information. We can be checking, okay, these pipelines, they are basically functions. They do specific things. Let me give you an example. Let's say this pipeline is more about, it's about what? It's about authentication. It's about authentication. And then this one is about authorization. And then this one can be more of some other stuff. Let me focus basically on, okay, let me just say author, yeah, and then this one will be authentic. I don't know why I find it difficult to use this thing. Okay, so this one is about authenticating, checking whether this person is really the person they claim to be. And then so what is going to happen is that this middleware is going to be the one that checks, okay, do we know this person within this application, right? And then check, oh, we do know this person. Okay, no problem. Let's provide this information to authorization. Authorization would be like, okay, is this person really authorized to do this specific thing? Check if this person has appropriate role within the application to do a specific thing. And then, okay, no problem. Then we send it to another party. So basically consider it to be more of let me make an example with a real world scenario. When you're about to get into any facility, most of the time you have to be authorized first. They need to know if you really have an account within the facility. If you were to go to my university, they have to check whether you are a student or not. And then from then, as a student, you need to be authorized to access specific things. You are not allowed to access everything within the whole university. You need to be authorized first to use a specific thing. So there are specific functions within almost every department. Same applies to web applications or any type of application. There are specific things that need to be processed. So this is where the middleware is about. That's what the middleware is about. It's process information, and then when it's done processing the information, it sends it out to the user. Does it make sense? So that's pretty much about middleware. This is the scenario about it. So I hope you understand. Thank you. If however you'll be interested to watch more of the real code, how it works when we build an application, I'll be able to do so. But otherwise, this is basically about the theory part of middleware, to understand what the middleware is about. Otherwise, thank you for watching guys. See you in the next upcoming videos. Cheers.